All right, welcome to the channel. Sure you haven't been here before. If you're looking up quad videos, this is my first video on a quad. I picked up a CFMOTO 600. See, I guess that's what it is. A used one for a super good deal. It's got a few little issues with it I got to fix up, and putting on the Kolpin Snow blade. All right. So I'm not going to show you how to build the snow blade. Those are probably all over the place. But what I could not find on YouTube or on the net here is how to properly attach this. I saw one guy who attached it to just two U-bolts on this part. But what I'm going to do is there's a couple other little pieces here. Attach those to the back of this and attach it to the U-bolts going under on the cross member there. So the other two are back here where the frame bends out, and these other two here. Now if you just have the two U-bolts on here, what's going to stop that thing from sliding backwards or forwards? I don't think it's very secure. So we got some here on this one, and on that cross member right there, it's not going to be sliding backwards on you, which is probably what's going to happen. And then the other problem you have is these brackets are way too wide. They're going to stick out here and get in the way when you're turning. So I took a cut-off blade and cut these off on both sides, just past the where the frame takes a bend. And then if you chop these guys off, you're not going to worry about hitting your tires, and they'll be on there nice and solid. Okay, I got the bracket on now. I'm going to show you what it looks like. Get under here. Oh man, I guess I need a little more light. Okay, so coming down from the front here, we got the brackets. I can back out a little bit here. There's the two front brackets, then I've got a bolt securing them together here in the front, and then attaching to the main bracket. I got one bolt here, one bolt here on each bracket to the main one. And then just make sure you put your spacers in. Oh, hit me right over there. Put your spacers in. And those bolts are kind of long, so I'll take the cutoff wheel and chop these off. Leave a little bit there, and we're done. We'll show you here when we got it all hooked up. There we have it, blades installed. Pretty awesome. Brackets shaved off, don't have to worry about the tire there. Tough thing was just lining it up and getting those pins in, mounting it to the bracket. Pretty happy with this setup. We'll see how it works. All right, well, if you like this, give it a thumbs up, and a like and a subscribe and a follow if you can. Appreciate ya. Have a good day.